Malia yung pinaka-sweet sa kanilang tatlo. Gusto niya ako laging kasama. Kapag aalis ako, tinatanong niya kung kailan agad ako uuwi, kung anong oras, ganun siya. Kahit na may mas maliit pa sa kanya, pero siya yung pinaka-sweet sa kanilang tatlo.
So, ladies and gentlemen, together with all the Firefly Alley's princesses, let's welcome our birthday girl, Malia!
Ang wish ko para kay Malia, sana matupad niya lahat ng gusto niya sa buhay. Nandito lang kami ng mami niya para supportan siya sa lahat ng gusto niya.
Made mountains move. We climb the top of highest highs. We can do anything now.
You have such a beautiful heart. And I hope you never lose that, Mahal. Keep being the little girl who brings smile to everyone around you. And who loves so genuinely and who fills every room with happiness just by being yourself.
Lumaki kang mabuting bata at masunurin sa mami at daddy. Mag-aral kang mabuti. Yan ang wish ko lang sa'yo. Happy birthday!
Birthday, mahal ko. Alam ko, nagagabayan kayo ng Panginoon. Dahil mababait kayong bata. Mag-aral kang mabuti, mahal. Happy birthday, mahal. Tama, iiyak na ako.
Happy 7th birthday, my love. May God continue to bless you, protect you, and guide you every step of the way. I love you so much, Mahal.
Our dreams to come alive. Today's the day.
Mahal ko, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord kasi binigyan niya ako ng mabait na anak, mapagmahal, sobrang sweet. Lagi mong tatandaan, mahal, ha? Kahit ano pang gusto mo, lagi lang kami nandito ni Daddy para suportahan ka.
Now's the time, now's the time, now's the time. Today's the now's the time, now's the time, now's the time.
Happy birthday, Mahal! We love you so much! Mwah.
Now's the time.